Welcome to N8n vs Make, no-code automation showdown. Explore the UI, features, pricing, and tips to choose your perfect automation tool today. N8n User Interface. Make User Interface. N8n offers a low-code, developer-style visual editor featuring drag-and-drop logic nodes and visible data flows at each step, ideal for advanced users. Make features a no-code first UI with simple bubbles and flow lines, resembling a mind map, perfect for beginners and marketing users seeking ease. Use cases and integrations. Both support Gmail, Notion, Airtable, Slack, Telegram, and more. N8n supports complex logic, self-hosting, and custom JavaScript inside nodes. Make offers ready-made templates optimized for marketing tools, CRMs, and fast client task automation. N8n Pricing. Make pricing. Free self-hosting option with paid tiers starting around $20 per month. Free plan with 1,000 operations/month and usage-based paid plans starting at $9 per month. Beginner recommendations. Choose Make if you're new to automation, want simple UI, and focus on marketing or productivity. Choose N8n if you desire flexibility, build advanced workflows, or value data privacy. Both are powerful. Start with Make and move to N8n when ready. Which team are you on? Comment Team N8n or Team Make. Subscribe for tutorials and watch the next workflow video.